Hello everyone, in this video I'm covering GTA 5 error DLL. Mostly 3 errors we got during installation. So first error is Steam underscore API 64.dll. For this I'm creating one website called howtoproblems.wixsite.com. I will put this description in the I will put this link in the description so that you can download easily. So for this error you can see this screenshot. So if you want to solve this problem, you just need to click here, and after that clicking this you will download this file. After that you just need to go to the file, like I have downloaded that file, Steam API 64. So you just need to extract from here. After that you will get this file, and this file you just need to copy DLL file. And after copying this file, or you are cutting or copying whatever you like, after that you just need to go to the GTA 5 main folder, where you will get all that file, and you just need to paste that. So you can see here, like I'm pasting that here. After that you can run GTA 5. If you are getting this error called x input 1_3.dll, so you just need to download. After seeing this screenshot, if it is same, just you need to download that DLL file. After downloading that, you just need to go to that download. So here you just need to extract. After that you will get this file DLL. You just need to copy from here. After copying, you just need to go to the GTA 5 main folder. You just need here to paste that, and after that you just need to run GTA 5. GTA 5 will work properly. If you are getting D3D compiler underscore 43.dll, then you just need to download two setup, or one setup you like, web setup or direct setup, DirectX. So if you want to download web installer, then you just need to click on this, and if you want to download setup, this will just need to click on the setup. So this is 1 MB and setup, and this is 100 MB setup. So whatever you like, what you can download from here, and you will get this type of as here we can see, yeah, this is the web setup and this is the direct setup. So you can download here and install it. After installing this, this problem will go. And don't forget to turn off real-time protection, virus threat protection setting for installing. After that you can on this, so that it will work automatically fine. So this is the video for GTA 5 error DLL. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, just like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you.